Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Ooh. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Ooh. Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Mo here with Auto Addict USA. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. In today's video, we're gonna be showing you guys how to assemble the Auto Addict USA C8 Stingray Z06 conversion front bumper. This video has been wanted for such a long time. Pre-order list is finally all fulfilled. They're all shipping out. So thank you guys so much for all your pre-orders. But now let's go ahead and show you how to assemble this aggressive bumper and start this new shipment in the C8 community. Let's get started.
Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I'ma be downtown, man.
Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and go over what do you get when you order Auto Addict USA Z06 C8 conversion bumper. Right next to me to the left here, you'll get the bumper shell fully shaped in that aggressive mean Z06 edition. And right to the right bottom of me over here, it's the grill inserts, the bezels, the splitter, canards, and all the hardware that requires to install the inserts onto our manufactured perfect fitment mold Z06 conversion bumper.
Came up on this side, now they on the other.
I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bagging for you guys and show you guys the finish of the shell. There's one bag out, and there's another for extra protection. Let's go ahead and flip this for you guys and let me hold it up. As you can see, it is a semi-primered flat black finish, just like our conversion ZL1 bumpers that we offer for the Camaros. It's a very light product. We try to mimic the OEM factory production finish to make it into the same quality fitment and the appearance that it deserves. We 100% stay away from fiberglass. We do not want anything that's itchy, bad fitment modifications. We 3D scanned it, we designed it in our software, and here we are now ready to go, a live product to make your Corvette more aggressive. All right guys, so you guys are probably wondering, how do I get this installed? Well, before we even get to installation, I want to give you guys my recommendation of what you should do when it comes to either wrapping it or painting it. Right on our website listing, which I'll post right up here, you can go ahead and select the bumper shell to be painted and all the inserts to be painted glossy black, just like our Camaro bumper that we offer on our website. And yes, we can ship it to you painted, assembled on a pallet, ready to go, no problem at all. But in order to get this done correctly, you do have to primer it. You gotta sand it down just to kind of get the surface ready to go. Adhesive promoter as well, and you gotta do the sealer, and then after that paint it, then throw on the clear. Now if your local body shop doesn't feel comfortable with it and you really want this product with us, hit us up, give us a call, email us, text us, or purchase it online and add all the paint services that we offer, and we'll take care of that for you guys from A to Z. The painting process with Auto Addict USA will take a little bit longer than usual because due to the demand that we're having on our website with all our other manufactured bumpers that we make, it's about 3 to 6 week process wait time. Could be a little bit sooner, it depends, but we do not want to rush your paints before we ship them. We want to ship something that's cured, ready to rock and roll without any damages or cracking on the clear. Now the other side, if you want to wrap it, all you got to do is pretty much primer the entire bumper, wrap it, you're ready to go, no problem at all. Whatever your project is, whatever sounds better for you, you can go ahead and do either wrap or paint.
Oh, man, full flow bound, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my
All right guys, as Timoteo getting ready to get the bumper stance ready to get the install how-to for you guys, I would like to show you guys what comes in this amazing big brown box. There's a lot of parts, and do not get too scared about it. Everything will line up and fit our shell exactly to the T of how it's shaped. Let's go ahead and break it open, show it to you all on the ground to show you what goes what, and show you the existing parts that comes in this beautiful brown box.
I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, that then like we tied. I've been gone since like July, that then like I died. They won't be expecting when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put behind us.
All right guys, so as you can see, the bumper shells that we just went over earlier. Now let's go over these pieces and we spread them apart for you guys so you know exactly what goes into what. So right next to me, the left and the right side, where these bezels get attached, right on the left and the right side of the bumper. And then right in the middle, which is the lower aggressive grill that attaches right in the middle, comes in flat black. So this is where you guys have an option to make them in gloss black if you want us to paint them, or your local body shop to go ahead and get that done. Now, right right over here, this is an aftermarket manufactured and scanned by Autodex USA to remove your old foam protection bar. It lines up right behind the bumper shell on the top side. You remove your old one and you go ahead and attach ours so our bumper can fit perfectly the way it's meant to be. Right over here will be the bezel canard top side of the side bumper. It does have a sensor opening that will fit your factory one. If you do not have a sensor, we do offer an attachment to cover it all up, and if you wish to add a sensor in the future, you can go ahead and remove our attachment and you'll have front sensors if you want to do that upgrade from your factory. And lastly guys, as you can see, we mimic the Z06 style front splitter, meaning it comes in 3 pieces. It is divided up. That's how the factory GM makes it with the Z06. So if you connect all these 3 pieces together, we'll go ahead and form a front aggressive Z06 look. And at the moment, to finish it off, the 2 canards that come on the side of the bumper, and you do not have to have the bumper removed to install the canards because they will have to be drilled on from the back side. That we offer 4 openings, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom to attach the canard the way it's supposed to be. Now, we do have hardware when it comes to the canards, but some people like to do their other preferences in regarding nut and washer, rivets. We do have a T-tap in there. You'll just T-tap it in there. It will stick just as strong as a nut and washer or a rivet, but you do have the preference to do however you wish to do. A very simple kit. It might look like it's a lot of pieces, but when you plug in everything to the puzzle with the right dimensions and the where things go to, by the time you finish this, you'll end up seeing a fully completed formed Z06 conversion bumper for our Stingray community owners. All right guys, so the first thing we want to do when we're assembling your bumpers, if you wish to do it, but we want to show you how to do so, we attach 2 plastic legs on the bottom side of the bumper and the middle side for shipping purposes. We know how bad these carriers are. They're just tossing everything. To simply delete it, go ahead and get a blade, as Tomotillo is doing. He's cutting it flat with the bottom piece of the bumper, and then this is exactly what the finish is going to be after you blade cut it, just so that way when you're ready to install our grills, it goes in nice and flush without interfering fitment. Again, this is only for shipping purposes, so when we're shipping it with you guys, it's not getting smushed and there's some sort of support to hold it. All right guys, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and handle the grills for you guys. So we're going to start on the middle grill and the side grills as well, and show you all the hardware that we're going to attach on there. So again, 2 grills on the side of our bumper and the middle grill that completes the Z06 aggressiveness. Let's go ahead and show you guys how they click. And if you come closer, you can see on the back side of our bumper, everything is outlined and manufactured just like the factory side. You got the factory clips that will clip onto our grill. You got already rivets and screws that you can go ahead and just screw it on right away. Pre-manufactured hold to make sure your screws are nice and tight and firm without anything screwed on or loose, to make sure we're attaching firm fitment to give you the best quality. All right guys, this baggie right here will have everything that you need to make sure our bumper grills and inserts are equipped, firm and strong. Now, you do have the preference to use your own if you wish. There's no pressure on that, or if you want to get some from your OEM bumper or go to your local Home Depot, but definitely use what we use for you guys to save you guys the trip and the money and all the support that you guys are giving us. We want to make sure we're providing everything for you guys. Without further ado, let's get the grills on there, the 2 sides and the lower grill, and get started.
Look who I'm around, man. If I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow bound, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, that then like we tied. I been gone since like July, that then like I died. They won't be expecting from Kappa go to slide, cause I told them that we put behind us, but I
come through. You and you, I'ma get the money. Tracy get the loot. Pull up with that was Drake and I'ma my weapon be an instrument. I blow you like a flute. Play so you feelin'. Pull up broad day with the ain't shivering. Drop littering. We at the door like we the delivering. He not a plug, he middleman. That round like cinnamon. I got them round like Sugar Ray Robinson. Sausage to check how you gas, but I'ma spray 'em just like for a breeze. Come a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. On the floor, talking to the athlete. Man, I'm so close to the guy that I can steal the stat sheets.